name is Michael Helander. I'm CEO of Airspace Link, and we build drone highways. Every decade for the past 150 years, there's been a monopoly or an inflection change in the infrastructure industry, going back to Vanderbilt in the railroad, Edison in the electrical grid, Bell in the telephone, Eisenhower in the highways, and now Airspace Link and drone airspace infrastructure. We've partnered with the FAA, state and local government, and the drone industry to build the highways in the sky. The problem is, it's a bit of the wild, wild west in the drone industry and in government. As a drone pilot, I'm not sure exactly where I'm allowed to fly.
Drone pilots are taking big risks with your safety.
Flying into the protected airspace around major airports.
As a community, I'm not sure where drone operations are happening or where they shouldn't be happening. As the FAA, they need to maximize safety in the national airspace and also within communities. I'm excited to announce the first ever FAA certified cloud-based platform, simultaneously connecting all constituents involved in legally flying a drone. So let me explain how it works. We have a product called AirHub. It's an airspace regulatory SaaS platform made up of 3 parts. And the first part of our system is a low altitude authorization and notification capability and data exchange with the FAA. What that means is we have real-time connection to aviation data, and we are one of only a few companies in the world that can authorize and connect to 600 airports. The second part of our system is our local data, and that is where we pour in schools, hospitals, jails, population densities, rules, regulations, and drone ordinances into our platform. Combine that with the federal data, and we pre-process that data to create a map where it's safe to fly. The third part of our system is the drone industry. What used to take 90 days to get approval now takes seconds with our platform to get approval at the federal level and the state and local government level. This allows the entire drone industry to grow safer and faster within our national airspace and within your community. Now, AirHub is a single platform, and we have different types of users and features. As a drone pilot, I have a set of APIs and tools that allow me to understand situational awareness of where I'm about to fly. It creates recommendations and risk profiles, and then that data is then processed in such a way with our federal portal that then that data is communicated to the local airports for approval. If approved, we give that drone pilot the authorization to move forward with their flight. On the state and local government side, they now have an understanding of where flights are happening within their community and a set of tools to create advisories for emergencies or events happening within their community. Now, we used our own platform to create our target market. And using our system, we selected 4,500 cities. Roughly 133 million citizens are required to use a platform like ours. And that's not just for commercial use, that's for recreational and potentially package delivery in the future. Now, our business model has 3 pillars. The first pillar of our system is the investment into the infrastructure by state and local governments. The second pillar of our system is our SaaS licensing, which is a maintenance and monitoring system. And third is our transactional model, which is for a drone pilot, the ability to get approvals for complex flights such as beyond visual line of sight, package delivery, autonomous capabilities. We quit our jobs 8 months ago, and in that time we built a 5-person rockstar team. My CTO and I have been through 5 companies and 2 exits. We raised over $1 million and we're oversubscribed. We sat side by side with the FAA building our platform for the past 8 months and then got certified. We built an $11 million sales pipeline, and we already have 8 large cities pre-signed up for our beta program. Like Vanderbilt built the railroads, Airspace Link is building highways in the sky. Thank you.